Lab 1, Part 1, hydrochloric acid and magnesium metal. So each of these will be its own video file. So you should have a data table on the bottom of the page where the video is. So you're going to record some information there. First thing it asks us to do is to use a graduated cylinder and measure 5 milliliters of 1 molar hydrochloric acid. So you can see this bottle is 1 molar hydrochloric acid. Here is my graduated cylinder. It's a really big bottle, so I'm not going to pour out of it. I've got a pipette. Okay, and I'm just going to put it in until I get to 5 milliliters. So it looks like I'm going to have to do it 2 full times and then a little bit more maybe. Yeah, a little bit more. Okay, so that's 5 milliliters. So I'm going to move this. Now, it wants you to get a piece of magnesium metal. So here's my magnesium metal. Okay, and this is flexible. Okay, it's kind of shiny. It's thin. Okay. It wants you to make observations about the physical characteristics of the hydrochloric acid, the HCl, and also of the magnesium metal. Okay, so just write down some observations of the magnesium metal and of the hydrochloric acid. Okay, it wants us to put the hydrochloric acid into a beaker. The initial temperature. So here in the back, you can see I have a lab quest. So I'm just going to put that temperature probe into this hydrochloric acid. We're going to let that temperature stabilize. I'm going to kind of tilt it over so that I can get more of it wet. So it looks like about 19.8 is our initial temperature. Okay, and so then it wants us to touch the bottom of the beaker and feel the temperature of the hydrochloric acid. The beaker feels a little cool to the touch, okay? It wants us to add the magnesium metal. Now, you can see this is not going to add, it doesn't fit. So we want to take it, I'm going to take a pencil. I can get that where y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, and I'm just going to roll it around the pencil. So now I have like a little, and I can expand it just a little bit because I want as much of the metal surface to touch the liquid as possible. Now I'm going to put my thermometer back in my liquid so that I'm taking the temperature as this happens. I'm going to drop the magnesium metal in, and we're going to see what the highest or lowest temperature is that we can measure. Okay, and you should make observations as this is happening. So you should see there, you probably can hear, you can see. And I'll move so you can see the temperature. Okay, but I want you to see what's happening in there. You can see the condensation on the sides of the beaker. And so what does that tell you? Okay, you should be able to see steam coming out of the beaker. So what should that tell you? So I saw 43.7. There's a 43.8. So we want the highest temperature. And this beaker is hot to the touch now. So I see 44.4. And keep watching. If you see something higher, you record the highest temperature that you see. Okay, lots of bubbles. See, the liquid looks white because there's so many bubbles. Okay, 44.4 was the highest temperature that I saw, and so that's what we want to record as our final temperature.